Deleting designs and projects in bulk is simple. However, if you're finding Create Pro 6 is slowing, you may first want to look at other possible reasons before deleting your data. Companies using a remote hosting service are affected the size of the databases and how many people access the file at once. Locally hosted files are more so affected by the specs of the server or host computer and the network speeds. Often modifying the plan or improving the tech specs of the server will improve the speeds. Whether hosted online or locally, saved image files and attachments in the designs or projects modules increase the data shared file by the size of these files. The data shared file without any attached files is between 500 to 600 KB in size. Check the size of your hosted or working data shared file, and if larger than 1 GB, you may wish to delete. Then reduce the size of the images before adding them back to the design or project. FileMaker Server creates a backup every 24 hours and saves the files into the FileMaker directory Data Backups folder. Copy the backup files to a different location and clear out the backup folder. Companies running in peer-to-peer should ensure that their manually created backups are being stored in the Create Pro backup folder and that those backups get saved off-site for disaster management. Temp, prefetch, and cached files can also use a lot of space. Clean out these files on a regular basis and ensure that you have sufficient space on your drive. Now that you have checked the other issues and want to bulk delete some designs or projects, you'll want to filter to a found set. The process is the same for both. Complete a Show All at the bottom of the window. At the top, select the drop-down and summary list. Your final found set will be the designs that will be deleted. You can sort by any of the headers to more easily view your designs. In my example, I'll sort by date, so I can select to delete all designs created between March 1st to March 10th, 2023. Click on Find at the top of the window. Here you can filter based on your criteria. Many options are available to limit the designs to your found set. The option box provides the information to be more specific within a field. We're going to select a date range using the range symbol and enter it into the date field. Enter the values based on your clock setting. So 2-digit month, day, and 4-digit year, or 2-digit day, then month and 4-digit year for most European and Asian locations. Then click on Continue. The found set will be limited to your filters, and you may opt to use the Find again to further reduce the found set if needed. Click on Find and Delete at the top menu bar, or use the keyboard shortcuts shown. A message will come up to confirm you want to delete these records. Once deleted, the only way to recover them is to replace these files with a backup. The same process is used to delete projects. However, a tip about image files and attachments. Deleting projects or designs will not delete any associated image files. This is because the same image can be used on multiple designs or projects. At this time, these files are deleted within each associated design or project. If your data shared file is 10 GB or larger, we can take your file and identify to what design or project they're associated with.